Hi, hello everyone. This is Shivagami from SNS College of Engineering. As I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology, here we're going to learn about the topic is access specifier. What is meant by access specifier? The access specifier is defined where we going to use that function, where we going to use the function or variables. Okay, that means here I give a definition. Access specifier in Java defines the visibility or scope of a class. Okay, it means it's the scope of a class. It's a scope of a class. There are four types in our access specifiers. Okay, the first one is private, default, protector and public. If suppose we declare a method as a public, in this this method will accessible within a class, within a package, outside the package, and also it is accessed by outside package non subclasses. Okay, outside the package non subclasses. If suppose we declare a method as a protector, it is accessible within a class, within a package, within outside the package. Okay, but it is not accessible in non subclass. Okay, if suppose we should declare the method as a default, it is accessible within a class and within a package. Okay, if suppose we don't give any access specifier before the method or a variable, it is considered as a default access specifier. Okay, if suppose we give a method as a private, okay, it will access within a class only. Okay, it is not accessible within a package, outside the package, or else the outside package non subclasses. Okay, there are four types we see. Here I give some points about access specifiers. Okay, the first one is private. The most restriction access specifier. It is the most restriction access specifier. The member, variable, method or a constructor is accessible only within the same class. Okay, this access specifier allows the methods or variable or constructors within a class only. Okay, the next one is here I give a small example program for the private access specifier. The class name, I create a class name is example. I declare a variable data as a private. Okay, this variable value I mentioned 40. Okay, the private void display, I declare a method also private method. Okay, the next one is here I just print statements. The print statements in Java programming language is system.out.println. In quotation, whatever thing we given in the quotation, it will just print. Okay, it will just print the statement. Okay, the next one is default. The default is the no modifier. The default is the no modifier. In this, suppose we don't give any access specifier before the variable or a constructor or a method, it will consider as a default access specifier. Okay, it will access within a class and within a package. It cannot access from the different back packages. Okay, here also I give a simple example program for a default method. Okay, in the before access specifier, I have declare as a I have put a private keyword before that method or a variable, but see here there is no any access specifiers or declare in the method before the method or a variable. Okay, in this cases it automatically it is automatically considered as a default access specifier. The next one is protector. The protector is it is accessible only the same. It is accessible within the same package. Outside the package only through the inheritance. Okay. Outside the package also we can use this protector access specifier class, protector access specifier method or a variable, but inheritance subclasses only. Okay. It allows the limit access outside the package. Here also I give a simple example program for the protector access specifier. The next one is public. It is the least restriction access specifier. Okay, the member is accessible from anywhere, same class, same package, or same any other package. Okay, if suppose we declare a method or a variable is a public access specifier, there is no restrictions. Okay, it is the least restriction access specifier. Okay. The key points reminders I give here: private, default, protector and public. Okay, the private means only accessible within the same class, default means access within the same package, protector means access within the same package and its subclasses outside in package. Okay, the public means access from anywhere. Thank you all.